prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well. So as you can tell from the title, we are unboxing the Sentro 48 knitting machine. Guys, I'm so excited. So a couple people sent this machine to me, like on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, and I just thought, like, this thing is genius. And then I went on YouTube and I started seeing videos of what it can do, and I've been obsessed. I've been watching TikToks, I've been watching videos on YouTube about everything that this thing can make. So here she is. Here is the Sentro, and I got the biggest one. There's like a few different sizes, and this is the 48. I'm gonna put it together. I don't have time to make anything today, to attempt to make anything today, because I have to revise. I've got an exam coming up, but we're gonna set it up together, and then I'll do another video on what I make or what I attempt to make. Without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what we've got inside. One thing I'm really excited to make with this is like knitted dresses and knitted tops. It's probably going to take me a while to understand this machine, because I've watched a lot of videos and people have been getting frustrated. I'm just going to take my time, set it up, find a day where I can just sit down with it. Oh, I opened it upside down. As I was saying, I will sit down with it and learn everything, all the tricks and everything. So the box kind of tells you what the machine does. It has a row counter. It has examples of what you can make. So there's two modes on this machine. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know this already, but yeah, it's panel knitting and tube knitting. It shows the tension holder as well. Yeah, it's pretty helpful, to be fair. So here she is. I am so excited, guys. So it comes with 4 balls of yarn as well, which is really nice of them. The yarn is really soft. They do look like different sizes to me, so I guess you can try out different things. Maybe these are like the guide for the sizes that you can use. Here is the machine itself. All the 48 pins we've got here, and we've got a bag full of materials that we need to like set up the stand and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and do this. It does come with instructions, so I'm going to read the instructions and try and set it up, and then I'll come back to you guys once it is set up. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and set this up. So here she is. It was pretty easy to set up, just to attach the legs and the suction cups to hold it down on the table. So yeah, that was pretty easy. The crank was already there, which is good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what else it came with. So as I mentioned already, it came with these yarn, which is really nice. They're super soft, by the way. Different sizes, as I said, but yeah, I'll use those to practice. It also came with a screwdriver, which was really helpful when attaching the legs, and yeah, so you don't need to worry about having any sort of tools to assemble it. I've already attached this. It came with 2 of these, so this is the tension holder. I think, I don't know what the correct name for it is, but it holds the tension of your yarn when you're knitting on the machine. And it came with 2, which is really good, because I've seen a lot of videos where people break theirs. It also came with a 3.75mm crochet hook, which is helpful for finishing projects. And then some darning needles, which is good for the casting off, I believe. So on the side over here is the setting that you want to set it to. So if you want to do panels or if you want to do tubing, I believe for the panels, the stitch counter, which is over here, doesn't work. Which is a bit annoying. So people do buy their own and attach their own. I will look into that and see if it's worth it. So the setting is over here and the stitch counter is over there for the tube setting, and that is the machine. So there we have it. We've unboxed and we have set up the Sentro 48 knitting machine. I can't wait to use her, and I can't wait to show you guys what I make with this. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.